आज हम एक बेसिक चैप्टर करेंगे ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ फूड एंड मिनरल इन प्लांट्स। बहुत ही बेसिक चैप्टर है। So first of all we are supposed to do transport of plant, transport of material, transport of material, transport of material. There are three types of organisms where we divide them into single celled organism or simple multicellular organisms and complex plants and animals. Once again, I'll let you know that transport of food and minerals in plants, the transport of material. So what are the materials which has to be transported? That is nutrients, water and gases. Nutrients, water and gases. Then what happens in these single celled organism? In the single celled organism, simply say this is the amoeba, so amoeba, or this is the paramecium. In these organisms, the substance move from move by diffusion. So in the single celled organism, diffusion is the process. In the simple multicellular organisms, that is lower form जिसको हम कहते हैं लोअर फॉर्म में हमारे पास जैसे लोअर फॉर्म में आएगा एल्गी फंजाई, हाइड्रा, स्पॉन्जेस. The substance move from cell to cell by diffusion. So this is the hydra and these are the cells. So that is diffusion from cell to cell. Substance move from cell to cell. These are the two cases. One is the single celled organism and simple multicellular organisms. Complex plants and animals have a well-developed transport system. Well-developed transport system. It transports nutrient and oxygen, nutrient and oxygen to every body cell, and harmful excretory substance, harmful excretory substance or substances, carbon dioxide, ammonia, urea, uric acid, to from the body to excretory organ, excretory organs. So this I have explained here that how the transport takes place in single celled, that is amoeba, paramecium, amoeba, paramecium, and simple multicellular organisms like algae, fungi, sponges, hydra, and complex plants and animals. They have a well developed conducting system, so it transports nutrients and oxygen to every body cell, and harmful excretory substances like carbon dioxide, ammonia, urea, uric acid to excretory organ. Now we are doing a transport system. Transport system. Transport system in plant is known as vascular system, vascular system or conducting system. This system is not found in simple plants or lower plant. It is absent in lower plants. Lower plants like Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. We say that in algae it is absent, whereas in higher plant it is present. In higher plant it is present in higher plants. What happens in this transport system? The material is transported from the root tip to leaf, or some material like food material from leaf to the root. There are two types. One is xylem and other is phloem. One is xylem and other is phloem. Xylem and phloem. xylem, phloem. We have 4 parts in xylem and 4 parts in phloem. TV, इसको हमने रिटेन करना है. T फॉर ट्रैकेट्स, V फॉर वेसल्स, वुड पेरेन्काइमा, wood fiber. S for sieve tube, C for a companion cell, P for like this, P for phloem, parenchyma, and P for phloem fiber. सी हेयर. यहां देखिए हमने इसको याद कैसे करना है, क्या याद करना है. यहां ये पूछा जाता है कंपटीशन में कि या बोर्ड क्लास में पूछा जाता है कि जाइलम में कौन कौन से लिविंग है और कौन कौन से डेड हैं, और फ्लोएम में कौन कौन से लिविंग है और कौन कौन से डेड हैं. पहले आप इनको नोट करिए. अब आपने एक चीज लर्न करनी है कि वुड मीन्स सूखा सा वुड होता है और वो डेड सा होता है. तो डेड सा मीन्स उसमें सारे के सारे तकरीबन डेड पार्ट हैं. सिर्फ एक चीज लाइव है. Xylem has 3 dead, 3 non-living part and 1 living part. 1 living part. Whereas phloem has opposite this. It has 1 dead or non-living and 3 are living. Now the concern is how we are supposed to retain it. Very easy. फ्लोएम फाइबर, वुड फाइबर. हमने कहा वुड पेरेन्काइमा के पेरेन्काइमा पक्का जिंदा होता है. पक्का जिंदा होता है. पक्का मीन्स इट इज लाइव. इट इज लाइव. देखिए इट इज लाइव. तो बाकी क्या आगे दे आर डेड. और 2 चीजें याद करनी है आपने कि वुड पेरेन्काइमा पक्का जिंदा होता है और एफ फेडेड, एफ फाइबर हमेशा मरा होता है. गॉट इट. तो यहां वुड फाइबर मरा हुआ है, नॉन लिविंग है, डेड है और ये लाइव हैं. In this way you can retain how the which are live and which are dead. Now coming to the further detail of these parts. We are doing xylem. Xylem. In xylem we were having 4 parts. TV देखो. Tracheids. First is tracheids. How they look? Tracheids have pointed ends. They have pointed ends. They have pointed ends, whereas vessels, they don't have pointed ends. Vessels are having a open on both ends. They are open. Both these tracheids and vessels, they join together, and water and minerals are transported because these vessels, they form a continuous channel. They form continuous channel. And wood, जो पेरेनकाइमा है, वुड पेरेनकाइमा और वुड फाइबर, इनका वही फंक्शन है जो फ्लोएम पेरेनकाइमा और फ्लोएम फाइबर का है. दैट इज वुड पेरेनकाइमा आर मेंट फॉर स्टोरेज and fiber for mechanical strength. This is about the xylem के बारे में. Now similarly, we are doing a phloem. So in case of phloem, वही part है, that is S for sieve tube and C for companion cells, P for phloem parenchyma and P for phloem fiber. So similarly, phloem parenchyma, here it is meant for storage and it is meant for mechanical strength. And here in these structures are sieve tube cell. Sieve tube cells have a sieve plate. They have pores. sieve pore कहते हैं उनको. इस टाइप के sieve pores हैं. And along with this, these are the cells which are known as companion cells. And here we have a phloem parenchyma. So what happens in the sieve tube and companion cell. Sieve tube and companion cells, they are meant for taking food from a leaf, to other part. That is source to sink. source to sink. So we can summarize it regarding the function. ये हमारे पास जाइलम है, ये फ्लोएम है, so xylem is meant for conduction of water and minerals, and phloem is meant for conduction of synthesized organic food from leaf to other parts of the plant. That is, we call the translocation कहते हैं इसको, of synthesized organic food from leaf to other part of the plant. So that's all for this first part. This is very important, starting from the junior class till the higher level of competition.